transformation I witnessed in myself after attending IPDC lectures would be that I have started to have a positive perspective towards every situation I face. So even if I am having a bad day today, or I am going through like anxious situations, IPDC has taught me to always believe that there is always going to be a better tomorrow. So just have patience and be calm even in serious situations.
It's a pleasure to talk about IPDC workbook today, a powerful book designed to help students and to encourage them. After studying IPDC workbook, a lot of changes I have noticed in myself related to my angers and my behavior towards my friends and family also. One example would be I love to play sports. So whenever I participate in any game, after winning it, there was an aggression in my celebration and in my teammates, and we used to celebrate it. But later, after studying IPDC workbook and seeing great legends like Sachin Tendulkar, I have seen that how they celebrate their win and how they take care that their opponent might not get hurt by their celebration. So that change I have adopted in my behavior, and I make sure that the other person do not get hurt.
So the workbook we have been provided by the IPDC team, it was really helpful to me because in the past few years of my life, I have battled with anxiety, and when I read about such things in the book, I read about it and it made me have a conversation with my own self. And there are few sections in the book where you can write and give your opinion, or you can write about your story or something like that. So when I wrote about it, where many unfolded thoughts in my mind were opened, and I could openly write in it and felt free after that.
I had distanced myself from mobile phones and from sitting unnecessarily and wasting my time. And instead of doing that, now I am more focusing on my sheets and everything.
I have distanced myself from bad habits in the way that first I used to run from things, and now I don't. I have just learned to accept and then overcome all the challenges that I come across and deal with them properly.
We are a part of a society, and it is our responsibility to give something back to the society. If I had to mention this specific topic, and it would be the power of habits. That IPDC has taught me that even a single change in our daily routine can change my life to a greater extent. So it has helped me a lot.
I have as bad habit, I used to sleep very late and wake up late also. So I have improved my sleep schedule. It has helped me a lot. Improving my sleep schedule helped. Yeah. If you want to learn about self-help and self-love, or you want to improve yourself, I feel you should go with IPDC.
One of the biggest transformation that I've been through because of IPDC is welcoming challenges. There was this chapter which we had in first workbook. Earlier I used to feel like कि अगर अभी ये challenge आया तो मैं कैसे overcome करूँगी? I don't have the courage. मेरे से ये नहीं होगा. I'll stuck here. But after when I went through that chapter, we had a discussion in the class. After that I was like, whenever I have some challenge in my life, I will always welcome it, because challenges are for learning and for transformation. So that's the biggest transformation which I have had.
पहले मैं शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड थी, मुझे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता था लोगों के ऊपर, पर अब मुझे समझ में आ गया कि हाँ, मेरे को पहले उन्हें समझना है, थोड़ा सा समय देना है अपने आप को, फिर कुछ रिस्पॉन्स करना है. मैं अभी जल्दी रिएक्ट नहीं करती उन पर. वो मेरे में बहुत ही अच्छा बदलाव आया है. लिसनिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. पहले उनसे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते थे, वो अब नहीं हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं उन्हें सुन रही हूँ, समझ रही हूँ. इससे ना कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स कम हो रहे हैं, बल्कि हम लोग का रिलेशनशिप और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया है, और हम लोग एक दूसरे को अच्छे से समझने लग गए हैं.
Right now, we are at a certain age, like we think that we are the only one who is right, and we just disrespect others' opinions, we can say that. But the teachings from the IPDC, that the first chapter, that is restructuring yourself, had changed my mind, and now I have started also respecting the others' opinion, and I have started respecting my parents, and I just think twice before speaking the words, because I had learned the understand the power of the words, so it has helped me a lot.
I used to panic a lot, like oh shit, I had done mistake. But now I learned how to move on, and it is fine to do mistake. We are person. By doing mistakes, we learn, and next time we'll improve that and not do it again. Believe you can, and you are half away. If you're doing mistakes, it's okay, fine. Move on in your life and try to avoid those mistakes, and yeah, you will get one day a success.
The course has transformed the way in which our students approach their studies, their lives, and the values that define them as professionals.
Giving overall holistic development for our students.
I really feel honored to speak upon the subject which has a power to change our life. That is the Integrated Personality Development course. The success really stands for not only the intelligence but also the confidence and how strong we are emotionally. So I think the IPDC has helped me to achieve that goal. Now I am more confident, and the whole mindset of mine towards the life has totally changed only due to the IPDC. In the today's world, we can see that there is a lot of competition, okay? So somehow we can feel that the competition has overshadowing the values and the ethics. But the IPDC has teach me like that the honesty, confidence and hard work is really important.
So I have developed this very good habit of setting a goal. Whenever I have something to do, say a task, what I do is I sit down, I write that task and term it as my long-term goal, and then I break it down in few parts, and then I develop a daily habit so that I can reach that goal. For example, currently I am learning C language from YouTube. So it's a like 76 hours long course. So I have decided that daily I'll watch 5 videos anyhow, and then once in a week I'll code and take down the notes, and that way now I'm confident कि I will learn that language and मैं बीच में उसको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. Earlier I used to start few things and then बीच में ही छोड़ दिया, consistency बिल्कुल नहीं हो पा रहा था. But through that method which I learned because of IPDC, now I'm able to achieve my goals very properly. Transformation and reconstruction, I would say. Also, one thing I want to mention, when IPDC course was introduced to us, I was in initial level of my spiritual journey. So when I saw all the instructors, the glow on their face, the way they used to, the way they spoke to, the way they guide us, then their lifestyle, their clothes and everything, that really helped me to move forward in my spiritual journey. That is the highlight of IPDC for me.
There have been many, but the major one was my speaking skills, because there was a time I have never actually performed in front of people. I was a totally introvert, very feared of the stage, but now I am confident and I have given speeches in front of 60-100 people.
इसी समय मैं आपसे बात कर पा रही हूँ, इतने कॉन्फिडेंसली आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. ये सीख मुझे IPDC से ही कहीं ना कहीं मिली है. पहले मैं इंट्रोवर्ट थी, मैं किसी के सामने बोल नहीं पाती थी, पर अब मैं आपके सामने बोल पा रही हूँ. और IPDC में जैसे जैसे एक्टिविटीज़ हुए, जैसे ग्रुप डिस्कशन, प्रेजेंटेशन, इस कारण की वजह से मैं बोलना सीख गई हूँ और मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाती हूँ.
Our daily ritual, my and my mother's ritual, that whenever I reach home, I and her have a long talk that what happened in your day and everything. I want to categorize myself as a bad listener because I'm really a bad listener, but we have had a chapter in IPDC that is understanding and listening. We had a group presentation in the class, and after going through it, I understood what magic listening can do, and eventually now I am on the steps that I am becoming a good listener. Whenever someone is coming and telling me something, I always want to listen to that person and absorb the things, so that I can give the feedback, but actually empathizing it and putting myself into the shoes of that person and then analyzing the situation.
IPDC से ही मैंने वॉलंटियरिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है, सेल्फलेस सर्विस, सेवा. मैं वॉलंटियरिंग कर रही हूँ, बहुत ही खुश हो गई हूँ उससे कि मैंने सेवा कर रही हूँ.